In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gemini Chat History. Whether you want to clear a single conversation or wipe your entire history, I'll walk you through each option and share a few tips so you can do it confidently and quickly. This walkthrough sticks to the essential steps and avoids any unnecessary detours, so you can finish in just a minute or two. If you use more than one account, glance at your profile to make sure you're working in the right one before deleting. First, open your Gemini account. You can do this in your browser or in the app. Just make sure you're signed into the account where the chats you want to remove are saved. Once Gemini is open, look for Settings. It's usually represented by a small gear icon, or you might find it under your profile menu. Click Settings to open the Preferences panel. Interfaces may evolve over time, but the labels Settings and Activity are consistent places to manage history. Inside Settings, select Activity. This section shows your saved interactions organized so you can review what's been kept. Think of Activity as your archive of past chats. If you only need to remove something specific, scroll through the list and locate the conversation or activity you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one by checking the title, timestamp, or short preview. When you've found the item, select it and choose the Delete option. Depending on your view, you might see a trash icon, a delete button, or a menu with delete inside. Confirm the action, and that individual activity will be removed from your history. If you have a few items to clear, repeat the process for each one, moving carefully so you don't remove something you still need. If you prefer to delete your entire history in one go, stay in the activity area and look for the main delete option. Click the delete button for the whole history, then confirm the deletion when prompted. This removes all saved chats for that account. Be aware that this action applies across devices connected to the same account, and once confirmed, it can't be undone. The cleanup may take a moment. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh to see the changes. That's it. Open Gemini, go to Settings, head into Activity, remove specific entries as needed, or choose Delete to clear everything and confirm. Before you finish, consider whether you want to keep any reference conversations and only delete what you're comfortable losing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your Gemini chat history with confidence.